Oh my fucking god.
Do we want to call it a day?
I personally believe we should.
That's what I'm thinking.
I'm gonna die.
Motherfuckers.
Matty, sound like you're literally glitching. Sound like Gareth Gates.
Yeah, I'll probably push my earphones.
Go on
Jesus.
and knock you 33 times.
Well, I'm gonna set that down and I'm gonna have a smoke before anxiety kicks in and I get eaten by cannibals. Sorry guys, I know I let you all down.
You do indeed.
I let myself down. Most importantly, I let my dad down.
Fuck your dad, he's not here.
Please don't fuck my dad.
Yeah, don't fuck it up.
I also think you're a little bit too old for him. Are you streaming still?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is urination against terms of service?
I would do it
Need a
VR now,
cable.
but I like my pants intact. I played The Forest in VR.
I like your pants off.
Terrifying.
Okay, well if you can invite them to, and then I just need to add Aaron in.
I can invite Johnny as well for when he gets a game.
He's already in.
No, Johnny.
No,
I'm
not
not
me.
ready.
Not Jonathan.
Me.
Not Jonathan.
Wait.
Johnny.
My Steam
Oh,
name
this
again.
is going to get confusing really quickly.
Ah, you fucker, I just spilled sugar everywhere.
Oh, sugar.
You know, fuck it, all that sugar can just go straight on the floor. I'm mopping tomorrow anyway, I don't give a fuck. Oh, why did I do that? It's such a mess, it's gonna annoy me. I've got sugar on my socks now.
What can I say except copyright warnings?
You're welcome.
I am not welcome. I can't wait for Aiden to sit down
So,
and
we're just
re-listen to
waiting
this
for,
audio and caption it all.
Granddad,
And me
haven't
just going.
What game was it you were playing? Do you remember?
I think
it was
Farming
Ark.
Simulator.
Oh no, yeah, it's farming sim, yeah. I was like, there's animals? I was like, of course there is.
There's
It's
two
farming
very
sim.
distinct differences here between Ark and Farming Simulator.
Well, no, because you domesticate.
You domesticate.
I think something just took him into the void.
And he was never seen again.
I think so. And Aiden
don't
is fucked off talking to his mum.
I don't think I have
Son
you
of
on
a
stage.
bitch. Aiden, not Aiden's mum. Stop it out.
What is this repeat noise?
Is it a repeat noise?
Oh, wait.
This feedback is fun.
Who are you getting feedback from?
I've got feedback.
Oh no, it's constantly repeating.
What?
What? I don't have a child.
Ladies and gentlemen,
But why are we all in the same seat?
We're not.
Yeah. I'm looking at your stream, and are you like the second to back row? Like, well, the very back row with the person in front of you to the left.
Where I'm looking, that's where Lewis will be sat, because that's his kid.
Yeah.
What sound differentiation like from there, Matty? Can you not hear
I can't hear you, the plane's too fucking loud!
Sounds fine. Yeah, sounds
I
fine.
can't hear, we seem
You
to
can hear
be
it from every fan, but also hear the game really well, so.
I'll turn the game down a bit.
Who brought the extra shoe in the carry-on?
Oh my
Who's that,
god! Oh my god! He's
Oh no,
naked!
my
fucking
child!
dead.
Please don't take him. No! Oh no, May!
Oh
Don't!
no.
Don't take May!
Oh, that's why Matty's not in the game. They've taken
Put
Matty.
him down, Jason Statham! Put him down!
Fucking hell, my wife.
What have we got to do and where is anyone? You're in the house.
Alright,
then.
all
Oh
of
my
us
god,
are in the
someone
same
just climbed out.
seat, except for Lewis.
My god.
Alright,
So,
Johnny
your
the
mission,
spoiled
guys,
sport.
is to find me. Find me, guys. Find me.
Where's that
Oh, look,
audio?
Can I get back up? I can't get back up.
Guys, seriously, I've got to find him, or his mum's gonna be pissed.
Guys, Johnny's just fucking wandered off.
As per usual.
He's on the way, dear!
Did you just fucking jump off the cliff?
Yeah. I went fishing and looked over the side
It was
and
nice
then
knowing
died.
you. You guys
Hard.
really build another. You know what?
I destroyed yours.
What? Why?
Alright? What?
I think it was accident.
Why are you on fire?
Aiden's on fire.
Wait, I'm on fire.
What?
Stop, drop, and roll! Stop, drop, and roll! Stop, drop, and roll!
Guys. Guys. Over there. Oh, I got a bird! I'm like a Disney princess.
Kill the bird.
I'll just put her skin on me.
Sorry.
Yeah, how do I look?
Yeah, you look pretty good.
Normally with your eyes.
You look fantastic. Should we go together?
Give us a spin. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Yeah, yeah.
Why are
This
you
island
making
fever's
it?
definitely getting to me. Hello, boys.
Fucking sorry.
What the fuck are you wearing?
Who?
Where the fuck did you get that from?
Do you want to help me get out of it?
No. You're scary fuck.
I mean,
Where did you get that from?
pretty lonely on this island. Are we all now just wearing her clothes?
No. Let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song.
Campfire songs.
What the fuck was that? That's a flare. What the fuck was it?
I'm getting back in the plane.
He doesn't want to be seen.
Aiden, come back on the plane. Aiden!
I've just set fire at the front of it.
So on our first day, we've achieved dresses.
Yeah, I found some meds, but you need to pick them up. You need to come this way.
I classify this as an absolute win, lads. I don't know about you.
We can sleep now. Bedtime. Come cuddle.
I'm gonna die.
Who's Big Spoon?
I'm dead.
The stewardess.
Well, Lewis would rather die than spoon with you. You do be like that sometimes.
I spooned with him last time.
We're dead
come
already,
cuddle.
gentlemen. We're dead already.
If
We
you
don't
don't
do
chop
what,
the
right?
heads off to
Can
get back up.
anyone, like, res me or?
Alright,
I got you.
down.
Yeah.
Right, let's go sleep.
Lewis sat here like, please, bro, I has reckon, please, Rev.
We go back to sleep. Right, back to sleep. Behind you. Behind you. Behind you.
Why is there so many of them?
I don't
go on,
fucking
fuck
headbutt me, you
off.
little bitch.
There we go, we got him. Like, just 12 more now.
Multiply.
I can see you.
Are they real
We're in
bloody?
bed now. I don't think we should live right next to the camp. Just
Yay!
Yay.
Right, we are moving.
Nice.
I'm
We
hungry.
are leaving.
Ah, 1 minute.
I'm on fire!
Where the fuck did that go?
The price of these camps was so low.
The crash hit Lewis
Johnny's
hard.
joined the crew! Johnny joined the crew!
Yeah.
Hey.
You're not gonna join us, Adam, before
Hey.
we fuck off?
Oh, Benny!
Wait, how did you do that?
Magic.
Everyone follow Aaron.
Can I offer anyone a head?
Excuse me.
Aaron breaks it, I walk up and he just looks around like, who did that? Who did that? Who was that?
Could have been anyone.
Hey, and it broke.
Who's building a fucking staircase?
Shut up!
No, it's the
Guys,
fishing dock.
I've been followed the day and I'm lost.
Look
No,
for the
it
big white
is.
name this time.
You've no idea where you
He's
are.
been what?
Oh no, to be fair, I've seen videos of like giant deer.
Oh no, not your idea.
Oh, good idea.
Yeah.
Why is everything on
Oh.
fire?
Who the fuck
Go in
put a
the- go-
Molotov right outside the fucking...
The cannibals, we're evolving!
My really good question comes down to why do we give a fuck? It's Lewis's child.
What?
You're the one who lost
Yeah,
the kid,
it's
not
only
us.
got one eye as well. It's not like a whole child.
It's my kid. I don't even give a
Fuck,
fuck.
man.
It's Matty. I got info last night that he wasn't even fucking mine, so...
I went on Joe McHale and everything.
So you went and staged a whole plane crash.
No, just
You
told me.
are not the father. Fucking
Oh,
come
you threw a
on!
Molotov at me!
It's okay. The foundations are still there. We can rebuild it.
Oh, logs! They're flying everywhere! After all that, I managed to salvage 2 logs.
Alright.
How's everyone doing?
A bit distraught, but I'll be alright.
Why was there a log just randomly floating in my thing then?
Did you say you're hungry?
Probably off Lewis's build.
I'm cooking you a bit of meat over here on the fire.
I love you.
I'm taking
How do
it
we
off.
all fit in here? That's what I wondered.
We huddle real close.
It's basically like
Very
hero-gasm.
It's a...
We're going top and turn.
Yeah, it's a snug fucking fit, and I'll be strangling the fuck out of Cupcake.
It is fan Timmy. Who's
Thank
Timmy?
you.
My son.
I know Matty is. Never heard of Timmy though.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's whoever's editing it, can they just like scribble out really bad drawing and just write my name in really bad pen?
Every now and then when we're sleeping, like midway through, you should just get Matt on his own having like conversations to the cannibals at night in the cave.
No.
So just get him in a cave effect sound, like an echoey sound effect. Fucking glad that little prick's gone.
I'm just saying.
Don't worry guys, we're gonna pick you up soon. Who's gonna read the story tonight? Story. There's 2 little piggies. And one of the little piggies.
Don't you think you've kind of boo-booed with that door? It locked from the outside.
It's a prison. You can lock people inside.
Is it? Shit.
That's gonna be my forever home
It
when you
didn't give
finally
me a
find it.
choice to rotate.
No, we're damaging the whole wall.
Fuck it. Ow! Don't hit me!
Why is the door still there? Thank you.
What? Where the hell?
Doesn't matter about the door.
The whole fucking house is gone.
It just
What
destroyed
It
that.
wasn't me. It wasn't me.
It just made the house disappear.
I turned my back for 5 fucking seconds.
Same! I went and chopped down a tree. Next thing I know, the house is fucking gone.
Johnny!
The tree line on the
But I'm
house.
nowhere near it.
Exactly, because you committed the crime and now you've ran.
He's done a fucking run. He's like, fuck, book it, please.
I found some tape.
I could have sworn I just saw someone stood right next to me. I heard footsteps. Was it one of you guys?
I'm next to it.
None of us in here.
It was me. Sorry. Welcome, Sailor.
It's called The Forest, and literally by the end of it, it's just going to be called The. Because there'll be no forest left.
Hey guys, you want to play the?
Deforestation, the simulation.
Does anyone else smoke that thing?
Oh!
Who broke it?
It's just that I pressed right button up, yeah, it was me. I went to put my meat on the fire instead. I punched Aaron out of the fire. I've lost my meat as well.
Yeah, because I took.
The other one to beat his meat and just turn the fire off instead.
I punched Aaron with it as well.
Oh, you decrafted my fucking fire!
That
I give up
wasn't
with you
me.
lot. I'm out to live by myself. No, I'm freezing to death.
Can we just sleep? Can we... Where's the bed gone?
Who decrafted the bed?
I'm freezing to death.
Yes, so am I. Someone had to stick to that. If we've got one.
Well, guys, frosty reception.
Lewis, have you got a stick?
Where's Lewis gone?
I don't know.
Is his potato also around?
What the fuck was that?
I'm too warm! I'm too warm!
I'm too hot.
Have the cannibals are legit throwing...
I don't know.
Wait,
but
is someone putting...
My meat's just disappeared.
behind us, behind you, behind you, behind you. The fuck did he fucking go?
All I can hear is screams. Oh, it's back!
I think I might have been eaten alive, guys.
Dead.
I'm in the plane, for fuck's sake.
Uh-oh.
Huh?
From dynamite. Apparently they've got a eagle.
What the fuck is going on?
Because we're too good at the game.
Ambushed by
Because
cannibals.
they get angrier the
yeah.
more you deforest.
And they've got Molotovs and shit like that.
I'm also a bunch of tired. This bitch put you in the tape, I'm deaf. I can't hear myself think out here.
No, I'm gonna make a fucking Molotov and throw one back.
This is when he goes. This is when Aaron
We
goes to throw it
can't
back
even
and it
get out the
bounces off the
fucking
ceiling.
bed.
God, he hits himself, yeah.
Yep.
Come here, you fuck!
It's probably a good job that Johnny went off to be fair. He's getting war flashbacks.
Ow.
You really just throw a Molotov about 2 feet in front of you. As long as we don't keep chopping down trees, we should be fine.
I'm chopping down more trees because they piss me off.
Mate, they're
And
taking down trees.
They're taking down the fucking trees. One just
Yeah,
landed
Aaron.
on me and crushed me.
Aaron!
Oh mate, this game's a fucking shit show.
They're very squinty and they keep missing me.
Mate, look at all these logs.
I'm swimming out to this little island over here, even though it's got no trees, I will live here. This is my home. I live here now.
Yeah, I cannot do fucking anything anymore.
Is it because of all the fire falling from the skies?
I literally just got into the fucking water and it just instantly killed me.
They just threw dynamite and destroyed all the foundation that I just built.
Oh my fucking god.
Do we want to call it a day?
I personally believe we should.
That's what I'm thinking.